Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Tuesday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. The last video, people were saying that video was frozen, so I did go ahead and re-upload it. I'm not really sure what happens because when I edit the video, I download the video. I watch the video before I even upload it to make sure that nothing is going on with the video on my side. However, I'm not sure what happens from the time I watch it to the time I upload it and you guys see it. So I don't know, because on my side, when I upload it, everything looks good. It uploads really good, and all that good stuff. So I did just upload it and I watched it again all the way through and I didn't see anything freezing. So if something freezes, let me know. But anyway, I'm getting ready to use some of these evil eye beads again, and I'm gonna make some dangles. I'm gonna link them with some of the jump rings, and then I'm gonna hang from the bottom these oh my god, what I do, oh, the hamster hands. So I'm gonna do this, make some little cutie pies. I have noticed that whenever I make evil eye earrings in particular, they sell really good. And also when I take pictures of them, I put the pictures, upload them to my Amazon store. So what happens is the pictures become what they call shoppable images, right? So when I make items using these evil eye and I upload the pictures literally get people to buy the evil eye beads, the evil eye hands, the evil eye, the plastic ones, like all that kind of stuff. So that's one thing I said, okay, well, since those evil eyes always get, like clicks and get people to buy the product, I'll make more of the evil eye items. It only makes sense. So after I make these, I'm going to take a really nice picture and I'm going to upload the picture to my Amazon store. So then what happens with that is it becomes a shoppable image. And I probably will do a video too, like a real short video, showing what the product looks like, showing what the end product looks like after I use the items that I purchased off of Amazon. And people like the little videos. They get to watch the videos, see what the product look like, and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, these jump rings I made myself using the 18 gauge element wire. I think it's called Beadsmith element wire, but this is the wire I use. And I'm gonna just link these, and I'm gonna only use two beads because I don't want the earrings like really long. I just want them something that's going to be dangled like this. You know what? I might even put three. Let's put one more on here. Anybody else be having a problem with these little gnats? I keep a lot of fruit because I eat a lot of fruits and veggies, and these little gnats just be driving me crazy. I got little jars that I put that apple cider vinegar in with the little dishwashing soap and all that little strategy. It does collect them. That's already cute. Look, it does collect them. However, because I do eat a lot of fruit and veggies, I keep fruits and vegetables in the house. And then I end up having to put everything in a refrigerator because I don't know. Anybody got a system or something they know about that I could use to get rid of the gnats, or at least keep them down or something? So you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and use three of these. So we're gonna close that. And then we're just gonna make this that is gonna be a cute little earring. With that hamster hand. So I'm gonna probably make a couple of these in the different colors. It won't be on video, but I'll make a couple of these, the red ones, the blue ones, and I got some yellow beads around here. And then I'll do some with the yellow beads. And that's a cute, simple earring. And I would wear this myself. I saw a little, it was like a big leg jean overalls, right? And I was like, you know what? I think I'm because I don't wear pants. I don't like pants. I like long. I like long dresses, maxi dresses. So I wear a lot of maxi dresses, a lot of maxi dresses. Like girly type situations. But I saw those overalls, and I think I'm gonna end up buying those, and then probably put on like some type of white t-shirt up under it, but like the long sleeves. And then these earrings would look really nice with that outfit. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna go ahead and bead a couple more of these because I'm gonna use 3 beads. You guys been keeping up with all the political stuff? Because I sure haven't. I've been busy. I've been like really busy, and it's always another clown show every day. Every time you look around, it's a different clown show, and I just can't keep up with it. It's just too much to keep up with and be productive at the same time. I'm just like, and remember, I'm not a TV person like television, and I don't even have TVs in my house. I think I said that before. I don't even have TVs in here, and I've never had TVs like that. When my son was younger, I would keep one in like for PBS and like little programs, and sometimes it's a little cartoon or something that he would like, the Power Rangers and stuff like that. But as far as like all that other just extra stuff to be watching on television, we never did that. And somebody could ask me something about something that's going on right now today, and I'll be like, you know what? I ain't even seen nothing. I'll be trying to stay abreast of some stuff, like watching little clips here and there, and reading through uh, maybe some materials and stuff online. But for the most part, it's a whole big old clown show. And at the end of the day, they promise all kind of stuff, especially the black people, and we still, at the end of the day, don't get nothing. But then people should know and see how valuable their vote is, because what they do during the voting time, I mean, they go all out for the black vote. And I just don't understand it. And then each time, we don't get nothing. Everybody benefits except black folks. And if you ever watch little documentaries and things on YouTube, the different countries, anywhere where there's black people, there's poverty. There is manipulation, there is lack. Any country, anywhere where there's black people. And I do know that black people in different countries and places are living pretty good. But for the most part, that's like even importing goods. You can watch some of these little documentaries and stuff, and you can see how the black farmer, is being taken advantage of. How like corporate would move in on the land and literally start producing. These are real cute. Literally start growing and producing the same fruit or vegetable or something that the small black farmer is, growing. And, they outdo the black farmer. If you corporate and you got money behind you, you could do that. You can come in and buy up thousands of acres of land and then plant whatever, the let's say avocados, plant avocados and do all that kind of stuff. And, immediately you're going to benefit from it more so than, the guy that got maybe an acre or 2 acres. These are really cute, right? I really like these. Very simple, very easy to make. Would I do something else to these? I don't think so. I think I would leave them just like this. So they could be shorter if you wanted to use just 2 beads. and then put the hand, or even one bead if you wanted it with one bead, as long as you want to make them. Because I'm seeing earrings where people are making earrings. I mean, like they are like really long, especially like with the feathers or the crochet or something like that. And if you want to make them longer, make them longer. For me, this is long enough right here. I like these. I think these are really simple. These are really cute. I'm going to take some pictures of these and put them on the Amazon store, and then make them a shoppable image for my Amazon store. And then I'm going to probably also put that same picture on those different websites where I sell pictures at too, because evil eyes are very popular. But anyway, quick, easy earrings. Oh, I like these. I've been award these myself, right? I really like these. Very jazzy. But anyway, Darlene Knife for Joy by BDK. If there's an issue with this video too, let me know. But just remember, I always watch the videos. After I edit, I download them. I do watch them. And then after I upload them in the dashboard, I click on there and I watch it again and then kind of skip through. And if nothing freezes or nothing is going on, I go ahead and upload the video. So I'm not really sure what's happening when the video is freezing on people. Sometime we need to just turn our computer off, restart it, and then go back in or something, especially if you have a computer on for days or a phone on for days. So I do double check stuff before I upload it. So hopefully with this video, there's not an issue. But anyway, Darlene Knight, Jury by BDK. And guess what? We'll talk.